Здравствуйте, дорогие друзья!
Hello and welcome to Vocabulary Lesson 14 of the Practical Russian course for beginning students. In this lesson you will learn how to conjugate the verb to tell or to say. Remember to repeat the words out loud after tomorrow.
Сказать.
To tell or to say. I tell.
Я скажу.
You tell.
Ты скажешь.
He or she tells.
Он скажет. Она скажет.
It tells.
Оно скажет.
The imperative form has two versions, the informal
Скажи правду.
and the formal.
Скажите правду.
And the noun
Правда.
is in the accusative case. We tell.
Мы скажем.
You tell.
Вы скажете.
They tell.
Они скажут.
The stem of
Сказать.
is
Сказ.
from which other words can be formed. By knowing the stem of a word, you can determine the meaning of other words with the same stem if you know the prefixes, suffixes and endings. For example,
Сказ.
is a noun in the masculine gender meaning a tale.
Рассказ.
Is a story.
Сказка.
Is a fairy tale.
Присказка.
Is a saying.
Сказание.
Is a legend or a saga.
Присказка.
A saying.
Легко сказать, но трудно сделать.
Easier said than done. In this lesson you have learned how to conjugate the verb to tell or to say. Remember to subscribe and like this video.
До свидания.
And we will see you next time in the Practical Russian course for beginning students.